This is the mouth.
Coming to you today with a video how to draw faces, my version of this guy by her RapidFireArt. He didn't have a shirt. Now, mind you, she used a pencil. I did not. I used a pen, and this is my version. I call him Josh. He looks really stressed out. And you can see I gave him a shirt, and I put a stressed on there because he looks stressed out. But I used a pen to do what she did. Man, he looks stressed. And then I gave, a little sidewalk in the background, a door, a little background. All right. So I'm going to try it again here. Like I said, I am using a pen, and I am having to hold my camera at the same time. So she started off, with the circle, and you do the whole crossbow. Right now, I didn't really do that. And you do your. That's what she did, right? And you do your eye. That is really. That's looking kind of crazy. Can't really tell what I'm doing because the camera's in there.
So I try to contain myself when I'm around you, but I'm so wrong to feel this way. Want you, thinking about you, laying up in my bed. I feel you breathing. Please don't run my head. It really turns me on. I feel you moving. I see what you see, body, just begging to be touched. I wanna taste you. You really turn me on. Self-control, hold me back before I lose control. I want no regrets. Sexy woman, talking to you. Sexy woman, talking to you. Don't stop. Don't stop.
This is the mouth.
Coming at you from ATX, doing it like I do it here. Make sure you subscribe now. Thumbs up a video if it makes you happy, and I appreciate all of my wonderful
This
subscribers.
is the mouth.